Hey, my name's Emmanuel. I'm a contractor with Sunny Day Roofing. I'm here on behalf of Mr. Roger Shelter. We're gonna do a repair attempt. I got a Certainty Landmark Pro Moray Black shingle right there. It might not be a color match, but at the same time, it'll work. It's a good shingle. It's about 50 years, 40 years or something like that. Anyways, as you can see, we got a pretty damaged shingle here. It's wind damage, obviously. It's just blowing in the valley on the southwest side. Seal's completely broken under it. I went ahead and chalked it just for the inspection purposes. In order to take this shingle, this is messed up too, but in order to take this out, this is State Farm, All-State approved roof snake, by the way. I have to lift these shingles above, pull the nails out, and put the new one in. And my goal is to try to do this without going above 45 degrees, right? All right, let's make something happen. It's hot up here. Whew. All right, let's go. I usually look for where the shingle is. Boom. All right. And the reason I'm doing this is to expose where the nailing line is. So when I do this, I can see that a nail was just put through here, right? Oh goodness, I got something in my eye. Okay. As you can see, I'm being as careful as possible to not go above 45 degrees. There's a nail right here, so I just get under here, pop this out. There we go. That's one down, a couple more to go. See, I'm not even going to lift that whole shingle. I'm just going to go right here. Pop this one out. Okay, perfect. Got it out. All good. No tears, no rips, anything. My goal is to try to get this smoothly possible. Boom. Perfect. All right. Okay. Guess it's nailed above the nailing strip on this side. Where's this nail at? Might have to lift this one up. What is happening? Okay. Just pop it right back here. Hey, if you want to come in close here,
yeah,
and just show them what I'm dealing with, so they know I'm not like. So I'm pulling this off, right? It's stuck right here. I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but it's right under here. There's a nail in this.
Yeah.
That when I pull, it's stuck on there, so I have to lift this one up.
Right.
To get under that.
Yeah.
There we go. And obviously I'll put new nails in, I'll caulk it when I'm done. And it's doing the same thing on this side. Bro, it's a sunny day, all right. It's hot out here.
Yeah. Show is.
Let's see if we can get under here. There we go. Oh, damn it. Bro, what the fuck? Look at this. Get closer.
What happened?
As I'm trying to pull the nail out. You can see how it just tore the matting.
Oh, yeah.
So now we have to replace this one and this one, which
Right.
isn't a big deal. It's just 2 shingles.
Yeah.
This is hot, bro. Oh my god. As you can see, if you get to the side, I'm not going above 45 degrees. Like, I'm making sure to not damage the shingle above.
Right.
In this process. What is getting stuck on? There you go. If you look at that shingle, you can see 2 things have ripped from up there. So in order to properly replace it, I gotta pull the shingles out from above there. Or pull the nails out, I'm sorry. Right here. There's one right there. There's one right here. Okay. Now, if you want to come over here, show them the progress. We might have to cut this video because I think it might be too long to post. Dude, I'm getting lightheaded, bro. This is crazy.
Did you cut it?
No, we don't have to cut it.
Okay.
I'm just saying it for the video, so if it is cut, they know what happened.
Right. Gotcha.
Alright. Boom. Perfect. It's a neat fit. It's not perfect. I might have to caulk the sides, but... Wow, dude, this thing is hot. Tell you what. What are we getting stuck on, baby? Oh wait, I'm gonna have to replace this top shingle